asem say yen pen to join for bi ho me nim de we bi nim de won prophetic office ni yen bi nyama bi wo asem abo bi di aka nipa betumi si we di for ona we me hu ye but we di papa ne star yi mana camp bi ena ye camp bi na ma okasa nkomsha me nim say on promise e o mokoyi me nim say wa no ebi mu ye yankomade agudo bebre tietia wo mo ba meka chance obi ama nani na ye mo mpa ma 5 candidate na wan ya di de bedo beto aba na ba ko the picture was so ni hu and no one young nice MP I call parliament the first time ye mo mpa ma na fi hu ya me hu ne ni nye kra how can I measure that person name MPP party spiritually engineer yi ba wo mu hu ni say wo mu ko promise na and da be bo ma asomdua abem wo mu di agro challenge leadership wo mu wo position no one more rich, one more for Muganto, and no more new people.
Alan Kojo Chairman saying, where MPP Niba Mapa.
Young Papa, no what chance and could be to be the president. But now, it's a chance no. The cruise, the portals may cruise.
Abusia saa radio se wodi wani kopemu e wo yamanyo nsem wo my Ghana ha ne titiru ni NPP e bi se wo mo na eja saa radio wo trend penefo se bofo ne nam ho apaso nte abusia saa bre enkomhya kese mienu e na akọ e de ama NPP abusia ba akọ e de ama owura Kennedy akomprakon e Japan afei NPP party ne nyina ase ho ne abusia ne ama akwakoye ayemhwehwe ne se ono aboka na akomprakon Japan defo ni bi e kire se wo mahu se operation e da nanim ya obesan akwakoye second operation na eno nam so ebema no aye paralyzer won't me be active politician bi bebusia eno da ho eno koda nchen ya NPP party as a whole no wo mo e kire se party ne person edi nkunim tu zaba e bekwakoto mu dia ene mo nkwafa owura Alan Kojo Chairman ensa ne fa member party nim efi se Alan Kojo Chairman no wonu ne destiny ena ebeboa NPP fo fi se wo de John na se ebehwa abra na danka kufado ekono na eye John fo nkwa na abanti wonu ne besesa no na ne enti onu timi ba ya wonu John ne se Alan Kojo Chairman eda ne hyebre ede mananado eno ka ho bi ena eboa party no enti second ena befa se Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne befa wo bi obefa bia no won hwe se wo de NPP party no ene Alan Kojo Chairman besan akabo mu bi manya saade a ene wo mo forget to me nya de se ebetimi asan aba wo mo enchen wei ene ne ekoso e wo ya bonyo semu no busu ene mensaka prophet Adonai ye ba bedi enkomo mesre se ubemi subscriber to so de ma me too much GH ya no akai se wo de be wo ne be kan wo sa no upload ni to mpo ne first person ya won sa bedi kan ka me se wo be kan ho ni mo di fa kwa ba na fe yenim Odifo mwakwaba. Papa bibi abokode.
Obode yankopon ado.
Odifo saa radio ni okopie mu e wo Ghana yamanyo semu emu aye hu yi aye hyehyehye so pa ne nyina aye prime minister NPP fo e ba abeko. Na yeni kan ehwe honorable kana compare ko Japan. E di se ma akode yama no. Difo yi trese honorable wo hu ne se operation da nanim na wo san akoye operation bi no koye operation na eno e be ma no aye paralyzed da. Won't me answer remember your active policies be would for and send me a bit so young Montungume and Fanas, a bit so there be send a ready carry operation first about some months so no any Adakamusam day said we different air can as I say and a walker some fun as in here.
The church for motion in some way. I shall forge also. Men pie bonus of body and coupon on your baby commercial beside your man. Mention it in or do you phone a winning in Shading?
Me patron.
And no, they are better to just say. MPP contest now more money then.
Honorable can Japan. Yeah, well, who's so
on different ways operation than
soon some.
You know, Okoye operation now, Obekadem.
Very paralyzed.
Boy, the uncle we are more.
Amen.
You win then or for I want country. I mean, I'm going to that I one cadem.
Oh, I do first and as me send you can as an watch that
every prophecy be a befit before being any matter for Kim and one country DJ.
Oh, sir.
Oh, in commission, yeah, let's base on in commission. In commission, yeah, oh, bet you be once them, no be creating, no be free, say, when we say, oh, be you or say, and if I know yet, they have. Papa the doctor bisano.
Okay.
One thing about politicians, no. Woman, me prophet Adonai, I'm pese. Me come as a politicians in pen correct. Una over from catch on quad, they are not ready to say. One who say, yes, and one say, and said they are making. But we differ. You will be a body and pejana, why would doom pen soup?
Okay.
So you want some up on what do I say? As some say, you friend to join for me.
Would you for one fan to jump fan more better than any more ever?
Only in the radio station.
Okay.
Only in the TV station.
Okay.
Media people were around.
Okay.
Or call radio all over the country.
Okay.
Try to say, Uber tries to open your party, baby. You open your be. Na Franco Modini for one and Franco. One thing we say we a prophet alone. Meaning the way being with one prophetic office in the be Yamabi. Who was some up be the can't probably miss you.
Okay.
If they don't know.
And it's gonna put the different.
Yes. Who's a nice government will bounce as time be about media no so Casanova a very good design. You are saying we don't mean it now. Who's a wife man very smart. But say we will be when we say we are for what is about video on social media. Minimum say Ghana music industry. I can mention 4 or 5 people. I know their names. Meaning even movie industry let's pray for them. I'll tell the gospel truth. From January to December, let's pray for them. What a shock I want mine from January to December. Nipa baby said this a year then this year. Now we are here then. Nipa I can mention names, but one thing. I say I will come for being. We say nipa no word of phobia or tear shine on Messi fan. Okay. We never come say we. Or you differ on a way, me. But we read the papa star ye. And I can't be, and I can't be now more cast and commission.
As I'm commission, I can't be commission. But if for me, Miss say, send your walking. Nkai nim se asofo djuma enku amanyose monku aden na se se asofo no awura amanyose no
ane de wa awu an obi sa mushama ni se mo na mo yes for mushama mo bi sa ya me djuma no obi a won office wo pretty but se edi ye bi ba na fa nipa ku bi ho a ya hwehwe se nipa ne chiri kwan.
Okay.
Yes. Minim se on promise a mo koyi minim se wa no ebi mu ye yankoma de agudo bebre tietia wo mo minim nyama bebre ya wo mo ye sumahye nkofo bi a wo mo fia ko oman fofo sha wo mo ye nyama ne ntwe mu sese wo musie agudo efa promise ya wa wo koye wa wo fie yi ya wo mo koya wo mo ye but aka me ntu me bobi di.
Okay.
Ba me ka je obi ama ni na no obi ama ni sunsun se mu nya sa na brabo no bote. Paso ba bo bi papa din na de sense mu ya tusu ano din di fo ni ya botre na fo tu ya nyame de maye no ya fa mo ne ma wo usi afo nyame ba bi hu prise wo be du bibia lem opra na wanya baby a wo bon so mpa ya ni abetum na waye but to mention names no aya me no di fo ni nya botre onya yemfa ye ni do so se ni edi ye ni hu minim di fo bia na wa ben o social media no kasa wo say yes onim knock onim no say ni ti o se bibi oni ko hospital netim na wa ben ni boni dia ye mbesho oya ni wanyare anda bo no akwa we nta ma odeko
Odifo yebetimi aka se ne ekosu nkomhye ye badefa honorable hini adi a spiritual attack on his life ana.
Both 5, maybe I don't want to choose size.
Okay.
Both 5 people in here, nyama ekosu. But count my previous videos so you say. Ya mompa ma 5 candidates. Na one ya did there be do to abana ba kun. The picture was so ni hu.
Odifo. Ewo
videos for one Monster station. If they give you the videos, I can watch it. Last year, beginning of last year, when I make answer, I the phone visual started kicking. 5 candidates, young one prime. Oh, yeah. Didn't meet on my tour ban. The picture was so, but that person is no more. It is a who be far in penny for me one. Yet, who how I ever come.
Okay.
But I say, you how I ever come. I say, no, if you say, but over call Rams, then Tissa. I'll pray for everybody. Mobile tank, I want to Pibobia.
Okay.
Everybody, penny four, won't be in, one person won't be in. Say, if I am found Pibo in Joe, which ye. No more banner mention, but I want to be my enemy. I tell my name never can you. Until Bompire, who president, who ministers, who MPs, who Bompire. Aside, they say, Parliament in that down. You want by election, back over 7. I started a poppy up. No, still, we are praying for them. Say, Radimaku and Emperor. Until I can't say nobody. I know one young, nice MP I'll call Parliament the first time. Yeah, one point man have you. Yeah, the young guy. Now me share, both penny that idea me share no. Now come to me rise up a president future or country. But many cry. How can I measure that person name? Remember, by election at that Parliament 7. Me try say. But when it say, and you'll be at Nakota in the Kunga.
And you'll be only
who be a young. Yes, I know their names. I can't mention it. Eh, call me Papa Obinia, Obi of Obianti. How can I mention his name on air? So when we say we have fun, but try our own eyes for so now trying to win your response. I just pray for them.
I have some more for now. That's why when people for sense na. Me misa say nonsense nke tension I rise because of primaries na nke nim say party no imuadwo na no ada ye ho na interview ba ko beto ho gban na ne baby agi he Professor Frimpong Boateng ko grant interview no ka kan sim bebre de fa party no party ni ye fake ni ade afede ye hu ya na say atrokrata ye pamone fi party no so me nko omo kan ase afede e free primaries no aspirant no so they aba party no so a dear MPP party na ekoso
MPP spiritually party nankasa njina yi. I was making several platforms. But they also have their own belief.
Okay.
Also will be about you be who can missing come say be before no ma babia won akwanche duty. Nti you are saying boy the two mind nim. O mind nim frɛ no then ye be ABCD. Ye ma nyankopon hu ne ma mmobo ene ne your mind asem obi amfrɛ wa ne abetumi aso mind ba na waye.
Okay.
MPP party spiritually engineer yi ba wo mu hu ni say wo mu ko promise na ene na be bo ma asomdwe abem wo mu di agro
na yes promise na chikra no
wo mu di agro oh wo mu di agro
ene say you can say e dey
MPP college leadership wo mu wo position no wo mu ma wo mu nyamrichi
Justin Kodua and current executives, you know.
Just accept what I'm saying. For and new people. If the party don't have spiritual father, they have to work hard to get one prophet. Always remember consultant, and your pastor, and your reverend, prophet.
Okay.
This one who are they? Abrabo when you differ abrabo mo bra sign obi si spiritual father hu nya onankasa on qualify mpo onim ni oka they just want to bring penny so check from Genesis to Revelation Solomon no mo kwa Bible shi nya me no kasa kwa no mo edifo check it David no mo mo edifo check them Paul tama ya me hwi na ni so ma no enye ho no koy obi si ya mo ya me sum na koy say Never one if be enda than if you na dream fish. The chance a member de nay. We need the and I'm a nipebre. You are surely been now in Koyi, a Juman Koyi, or Bob Ran now and fat. Who's a member bosses? Member bosses. Who say, the premier, not acquainted with treacher, Europe or mining with Chuma, Arab countries still in fact. Mobin bisa with him. Mubinye bisa wo shebrem.
Odi for yen hwe se ne woka NPP party ni nyina yie no mu hia D4 ne ade no D4 bi de me ka se eya kwantre anase eyenkom hya beto ho de ma NPP fu wo se wo pese party no etimi ba power 2028 bibia koye ne beto ba 2028 dia se so yanto ne sana da beto ba bia no primary si a wo mu kwi ne obedi mu nkunim se ye honorable Ken se ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo bia obedi nkunim no on sign kofa Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen emeka party no ho because of the John Ghana kunya no so John fo nko na atena so na nadodan kwa bae no Alan de ne hyebre ma no ene wotumi bedi akunya se Alan na meka NPP party no ho de a omo forget
Sir John Rollins em papa Rollins no de ni din ya de we fungwa no so.
Oh okay
Nti eni won ma Ghana won mo hwe se John Penes odi eti abrabo ejina no
okay
se when jina na fifi when jina na fifi to read Luke chapter 2 verse number 20 na Yesu ya won ejina no we read from chapter 2 Luke 2 verse number 20 kona be say ye bo afodie bi man ejina no nti enu na ye papa Lawrence time no person otena so che enu jini gwa no de ni din jina be gwa na ni wo say John nkwan na wo so otena so
Nti ye beka ne se John ya atena so no eye coincidence
opina de oye na wom nya so isunsanso na ma John take say John fo nya say chance no
okay na le say wo de John a wo chances say obedi Ghana kunya ye high nyeza
let's take it like that baba ye hu adwuma but opia edin bia da so be betumi di Ghana kuma me prophet adona say me tie na me do obedi
okay
cause esunya minim na esu obi
okay
edin to what the din bia to so na bobra na ho arpedi fo bi no bi sama eku ata no wo ya ata anase wo na na bi no de ata na ye de ata ne ma ata bia enyame ata bia etu nti na me se manso bi na beto ekiri won sa ata ba ko bi na mo ne twa manso no mo forget obedi mu nso nkunu ebe fa mo se rapture de bia mo fa mi obewi ni mo
de sa ata ni nti
wo ntafo a eye nhira
okay
nti wo wa wo ntafo abra bo nko ye pedifo bi no nkyere ho akwan ebe wo me ba bi ni ma ntafo ha Christ ya ne ba ye ne de of papa em se dabi convince won ko ese mom na mfa no won sa guru so bom pai ma me be pie no bi ne ka na de abre nti ne ma no wo se bibi special bi won kola no ba na obi odi akoba bi na obi mi nua no adifo bi asen kola ne ya beifo na den enso na ma me na ngasa tena se a nya nkyerɛkyerɛ no o twese obi din kola ne onye nkeke o man kola ne take decision bi o ti ase ni o hwa eye bad no no wato no bra kyerɛ wo se o we die emwa we die nye ni sei ona wo se nyama epekman nti edin ye tu
okay
this say you don't to be na enti na me amiti adonai me won fam ban to be
umpo bi asem ana
me nyese me ba me won fam ban to ebi wana me hu ye di me hu di en waji ba me ni mo ahyase me ni kwan fa so a wo begina ho wo bedu se mpempen so
okay
ebi wana wo hyase wo bre pa
okay
ni obi so ho abra na yame hu bobo nti se odidi no koto na bi ye na sunsunsunso a yese automatic na na ofa na bedi you obepem na se yame amboa no kra na ne o divert fini kwanso wan ya na bebia nipa na hu se wedi nti no koto ya no wontumi nduro
ene se ne wo ka din asem ye hwe se ne wo se ye mampene Jerry John Rollins ni din gina akonwa no nti na ama asa ato John fo so no Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen wo ye MPP ni ba mapa wono so de John wo ye na adwene se obekwa akoye Ghana mampani opreya kusi se one na nadda kwakufu ado wo muntam ne koye tight pa na wo se ye sign ko run off Ghana fo bi se sa time no se nkomo sign ko run off na anka Alan befa wo fa ya anko no sutim be president but o ka so me jamu dia mana na onko na wonu wi a na me maba no e na amanenti me maba president John eda so da no so wate no ho afia MPP party no wo kwako gina aye no anko yi ama no ne hyebre ana eyemi akuyi
aminchiro hadi abrabo anamon bi a opese utu obi don to no bisa anamon na opese utu on bisa na kwan mo
okay
no nchiro yen papa no what chance and ko betumi di president but now it's a chance no the cruise the portals me cruise nti Mr. Fanchame dan a obi we ni hwade wo bi na we di fo bi hu ade ko na be ka bi dan a wan ya not ya enye bo apai se meka but a cruise party anka betumi amana be di president eno na we free mo so no we create media dey but I mean to me money be the president
it is was back to NPP ne crossway
or some back to NPP na so be a chance gina as a flag bearer abebo
okay
but so we miss a chance media on who say abrabon say we shebrade na ma etumi dane kodi bebi Sanis.
Ene na cheze se nya okan no to ani mu atoma no say chance na se basa be flag bearer NPP party ni mu de no kwasem ne se me ni se no for kwa beto ama no
party ni de say nyama bi a me hu ye ene wo contents ya wo koyi flag bearers bi wo mu a so mu bi nya obeba back to the party ni de ene the party ni se sen nkofo bi a me hu ye so mu bi ni dia aye dan ya obeba back to his party
okay
but so mu bi ntumi ni dia ho no de me share dan hwe ni
okay
but abrabon de bankasa no de go ye tin se wo hu ne ba ade ani ye wo dia ye beji ne ye de nia wo ni be ba ho so no ne ya dan sebre no mi se wo ni ba ho so na wo ba wura tibie bi abrabon no wo ba dwe ho ntiase
odifo ne ye hwe ye beba ne abehwe se wo se aspirant ne ebi ewo mu ase owini a obetimi ama anasala betimi asa back to the party enti se bia nipa no anwini a womba se wamba yesunsu aso ye den se mpo nipa no so kowina se ofre ne se womba na so kase womba eno so ye den na ye hwe MPP fo mu lose no se lose na wo mu lose ye no eye onabo kana kompre kwa Japan na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo alantramantinti a wote ne ho Dr. Muhammad Bawumia gina obegina bi kire se oba ye ncheye saa ne ma we ne keka bom mom lose ya la
MPP lose no MPP no MPP for any baby say one more power will suba ye different
okay
and one more position will suba ye different but this current party win one what is that one more party the way the koko about the pe waste about waje okoni baby one day
give and take
one day give and take but when one day when your power there one what chire say
to me ede
one kwa na what school barriers
okay
one day when your power one what say one what school barriers one what one yeah on most education barriers nti wo ba soma wan na video so akofam posters juma dimi a obaye na mo fe call rally na card won bo oba ba ka say we need certificate a won juma we no mo ya abrofo party na NDC so ye efem for party
buga fo no
NDC ni ye efem enfo gba kosko ubetumi aye juma no mo fa ma no san NDC ti say nkonkon abesu say yenya juma uni mbabro kan ba the force a we di adwuma na show mu no be kan ama ni party ase tan NDC te
okay
wo NDC party so fem mu nam fem no ndi dinja asese na oban do hye ne nyama je da obe kem kakra ba se wo hye onyama ni bi na party ni gina na o twe ban penifo a be bia se wo do bombi e se wo do urema wo so benye adwuma ye they do it
okay
ba we no mu de book lie ene no problem and also I be also be a cabrofo ko yi won obe cabrofo nti eno a na wode nam wo ni ate
amobrofo na
na wo de kon but so we say politics ni ye yadom e de ya nipa bi be sacrifice the shomba nante party ni ba power ye won dwuma bi ho a nipa no wa nwode o de be ye dwuma be ya ade ye mfa ni se wono ye bi Also fashion in the banana rooms. Look on the sorry how much or call rally or so late the swim or call rally. Or buy a party by way you Jumai.
Okay.
What I say? And no problem. This one point to 2 years. A baby warm. No one soon as is ya one casa call. What's one contest? A good amount, Nini and Winnie Apple break. I was being table. Na say oh say nkofo akase fo yi bi ntebo fo a prophet ado na meti na party ni say me member na abapawa me
nkofo yes
obi a wo parliament ni wo ntebo fo na what about you and me
ye fiu kra
enti ni bon a wo so wo dwe wo ntebo fo no wo na bi wo so be prese wo bom pa say urade mo momra ana ni ameka manka ni sanity
Odi for fire fan when we are behwe Alan and NPP shebre so was sign bar senate ye hwe nroni
ma minchire we
okay
ayaresa wona kwan
okay
nipa bebre yare ahodi omia within the prophet anoda yare a wo yare bia no osoro ntu du mani ma obenya yaresa but one thing say me nton edru mi sa yare
okay
ti pa cho wa utim na ya na wutim bi say bp na how we a cardio na we a secretary obi wo o sisi yare ni sisi yare ebu negu ho we waste herbal tea na we cool herbal tea we dompe herbal tea bam sciatica na catholic obi a wo dompe ha kwa wo de wonya na eduru odu prophet ado na enima obenya eduru anom ma wa yare sabeba yare bia wakwa acha na wodu wo ba fia na say wodu bia wo bia ba fre bia no me ye bisa ansa na ma meduru obi an yare no na obi na watu ne obi na wabodu obi na wa soro won crash nti se we bi se chi na ta meduru ma na obenu ma nti nipa bebre wo mo yare wanu meduru bia hospital love bia wa constant yare ko ntumi nja ko we for you one about
okay
the protective brain no and wakoma and liver physically unye bi no ma be bi se obenya kidney problem
okay
and na se kwa kodi aduane bi se medi food poison na nyankopon nti eduro bo liver na ho ban your spiritual about spiritual healing body any activation and show power and healing body unye bi no ma waking okra no show no
okay
e man no ye dey na unama be dey so bi se obo bia na okotu weduru na one thing is nipa bia na masase so bia se ope bambo echiri kwan we dreams and vision and brain power obi a oda won so dan no unye bi no ma abeboa ma wada isusu bi kama na we so detox ni pedua no eyi fi bia fi mu ama ni pedua no da o kama se obo ade yankopon die no we me friend back to sender about unye bi no ma ama okra ne yeden ebe things will be bia no betu dru e ma wo nipadua no de bia no nama eno nso be hwema bobra nkaka obi abrabo no ne yemfa ni hu do so ne di ni e na se wo fie wala ya dan ya obi fie so wo di chi nti no abrabo no e se wo ha obetutu wanama wo abrabo na otumi afa akwan so na ne ye odi no afa di so yare bia wo de mambodi wo ha awo de ha wa odi echi hospital say ni say akesi a wunya yaresa mi di ni prophet adona odi be so hwe na be wunya metu
odi fa fe mi ehwe na efa yankomo no insise se eba ne se oran alankojo chamanten wan sign amma party no bi mu NPP party ni shebre no ehwe ne nsa na anata say
NPP party ni shebre NPP ni mistakes bi na say omo hwe no mo collect
okay
what you say because in political parties na unfa boys womu njine ma womu ko ma na umenya power na unya power wia boys na womu bre man wa ka womu egwechiri na du baby ya dey so binjina man na wenya me man na itwa fa so ya odo we shebre ko shen wa shebre wa body yankopon shiro bibia no yo bibia kuma hwe bisa de man
okay
na brabo na ye bono isi afufu mpedifu bi no hwe wo shebre mu ma na ne ye wo dia no obi amfa de ba bebre wo plans afi ba wan ya afi ne bekọ ewie no no mentumi ndu won botai ho wan ya afi ne bekọ ewie na ya hwe bi abeka no kwan wan ya afi ne bekọ ewie no obi agina ware afi ni se bo ware ho ban sa na nya problem odwuma bo ho ban bon mahobai. Pesusu nipa bi nyina wabra bochi. Wo bra from Genesis to Revelation kwa na Bible se na yame no mo kasa. Onkwa na omo edifo. Na was a man. Wo mo abobra omo kobeni obi a won spiritual father ya so obo afore ma no.
Okay.
Ti abrabo no boase na ne ya wo de no wa fe disu. Obade yankopon hiro bibia na onye obibia akoma so ebisa de ma no.
Odifo ye da se pa se ye ba bibia onya daje na oni ye etwetwe nkomabusia ye de nkomotwetwe ni nyina esi ha ye ne Prophet Adonai na edi nkomo ne breni nti na ye twa so ne besan aba na message so beja comment so comment section ho e de ama me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like na wa share na afofo so enyi bi ahwe dark good na me so macrow.